In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Drive file, whether you're collaborating on a project or simply want to share a document with a friend. Google Drive provides a seamless way to do so. Let's dive into the process step by step, making it a breeze for you to share your files effectively. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can do this by typing Google Drive into your search bar and selecting the appropriate link, or by directly entering drivegoogle.com into the address bar. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, sign in with your Google account if you aren't already logged in. You'll be greeted with a familiar interface showcasing all your stored files and folders. Now locate the file you wish to share. If you've organized your drive neatly, this step should be straightforward. Otherwise, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find your file. Once you've found the document or file, hover over it with your cursor. You'll notice 3 little vertical dots appearing to the right of the file name. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on these dots. In the drop-down menu that appears, select the Share option. This will open up a new dialog box where you can input the details of whom you'd like to send the file to. In this text box, you can type the email address of the person you're sharing with. As you type, Google Drive might suggest some of your contacts, making it even easier if you're sharing with someone you frequently correspond with. After entering the email address, take a moment to review the permissions. By default, the setting might allow the recipient to view the document. However, you can change this to allow them to comment or edit the file by clicking on the drop-down next to their email. Choose the level of access appropriate for your needs. To enhance communication, consider including a personalized message in the message box below the email field. This is a great way to provide context or specific instructions regarding the document. Once everything looks good, look at the bottom right of the dialog box and click the Send button. With that, your file is on its way to the recipient, and you've successfully shared a Google Drive file. Remember, if at any point you want to stop sharing, you can return to these settings and modify or remove access. Sharing files through Google Drive is an incredibly powerful tool for collaboration. And now you're equipped to utilize it confidently. Thanks for watching.